Pathological transformation, the abyss of human deterioration. At the crossroads of behavior and character, some individuals embark on a journey of pathological transformation, indicating an abnormal and negative evolution of their inner selves. This is not a decree of fate but a dangerous signal, warning that our humanity is teetering on the edge, on the brink of a plunge into the abyss. Don't always attribute abnormal behavior to external circumstances. That's just an excuse to escape reality. Pathological transformation is not a byproduct of external pressure, but the breeding ground of inner darkness. It is the erosion of character, a sign that the soul is veering off course in an intangible way. When we find ourselves caught in the web of pathological transformation, it's time to pause and examine the confusion within. This isn't the result of a predetermined fate, but the outcome of our inner choices. We can choose to salvage our souls or choose to wander in the darkness. Breaking free from pathological transformation is akin to escaping the confines of the soul. Don't let negative character define you. Instead, redefine yourself through profound introspection and courage. Each of us possesses the power to change. Awaken the inner radiance, resist the erosion of pathological transformation, and rediscover the primal innocence of humanity.